Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope so that my all friends are fine and good. God bless you. Keep smiling, always be happy. So guys, you all know my all the previous videos are related to different type of hairstyling, hair cutting ideas, different type of hairstyling ideas I use in my all the previous videos. I hope that you will love my all the videos and watching start to end. So guys, keep watching this video. In this video, we are sharing amazing and trendy women wavy hairstyling ideas. These are so unique, so adorable. I hope so that you will love this collection. So guys, for those ladies searching amazing and fabulous ideas of wavy hairstyle, so this is the best option for them. They will get new ideas and new hairstyles. So guys, here are some qualities of wavy hairs. The first one is a versatile texture. Wavy hair is a mix between straight and curly, allowing for diverse styling option. The next is a natural volume. It's typically has more body and movement compared to straight hair. Now the next is a soft wave. The S shape of wavy strand creates a soft flowing appearance. Now the next is a dynamic look. Wavy hair appears fuller and bouncer, making it visually striking. Now the next is prone to frizz. It may be more susceptible to frizz, especially in humped weather. Now the next is a flexible styling. Wavy hair hold curl well and can also be straight with ease. Next is a low maintenance. It often look great without much effort as the wave add natural style. So friends, now the next is a tends to be drier. Like curly hair, wavy hair may need more moisture to stay hydrated. Next is a face framing wave. The natural flow of wave hair often complements facial feature. And the last one is a adaptable to products. It responds well to both volumizing and smoothing products depending on the desired look. So guys, we hope that you will love all this collection. So guys, these are so amazing and so trendy. If you love these ideas, you can download this video and you can take the screenshot which one you like. And if you want more and latest ideas related to hairstyling and hair coloring ideas, so like my video and keep subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive new and latest updates related to hairstyling and hair cutting and hair coloring ideas. So guys, be connected with me and remember me in your precious prayers. Take care, friends. God bless you. Keep smiling. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.